Hi there. This is a video to show you how to navigate the ICSD 2022 conference program online. You are seeing the ICSD 2021 here right now. I'm just going to show you a few things that are going to carry over, and I'm using last year's program because we have content in it, and our 2022 one will not have content until mid-August. But I will hop over to the 2022 program just to show you some new features that we have this year. So first things first, once you log in, you will see our program here. And on the left-hand side is where you can navigate the different aspects of the conference. So with our program, we have our different sessions, and there are different ways that you can view these. The first thing I recommend doing is setting your time zone so that you are viewing everything in your time zone and you're not getting your times mixed up. And then we have a few ways that you can filter here. So you can select the different dates that you would like to see different events. You can select presentation type if you would only like to see the posters or maybe only the oral presentations. You can also sort by the different themes that we have available. If you know who the moderator is, you can sort by your moderator as well, and those will pop up. And then you can also bookmark some of your events, the different sessions here to create your own calendar, and you can filter by that here. And you can see I've already bookmarked some as an example. So that is navigating the program, and when the sessions do become available and have more information on the day of, you simply can click on them and you can view all of the information. You can see all of the abstracts that are going to be presented in each session. You can click on them. You can see the authors. This name that is underlined is going to be the single presenter. You can click on this, you can read the abstract, get to know a little bit more about these different sessions. And then you'll see this button, join this session, and that link will be live at the time of each event. So we're going to go back over here on the left. We have an About section. This is just about our conference, the themes that we have, our committee, frequently asked questions, our code of contact, and how to contact us. Again, this is going to be the same on the 2022 program. We have our presentation types. So if you want to only look at the oral presentations, you can do so here. If you click on one, again, it will show you that same thing you saw on the program. This is just a different way to view all the content that we have available. You can also search by authors and presenters. So we see here the different presenters that are going to be at ICSD. If you look at their name, it tells you where they're from. They are an author of this abstract, and they're going to be presenting in this parallel session. This person is a poster presenter, so they will be presenting this poster in this poster session. And so you can really explore the program through the lens of the authors and presenters. Next, we have the abstract book, which looks a little bit like it did before, but it's simply by the abstracts. So again, you can see those authors. You can see the lead author who's going to be presenting, and then you can see which parallel session they're going to be presenting at. If they have a poster, you can click on their poster right here. And if you click on these, you can read the full abstract right here. And then lastly, we have the poster gallery. This will be live on the day of. It will not be live until September 19th, 2022. But you can see here we have all the posters. You can view them right now. They're in a block view. You can also view them as a list. You can sort by, again, our different themes. You can sort by our different poster sessions. And you can even organize the titles in different, by Z to A or A to Z. And if you click on one, it will slowly load, and then you can make it full screen, in which you can move around if you really want to read more about these posters. I'll go back to minimize. And down here at the bottom, you can see the author information, and you can post comments. All right, now I'm going to hop over to the 2022 program because it is a little bit different this year. Over here on the left, a couple new tabs. So we have attendees, and this was the same as last year. It's just not showing up because last year's event is over. This is where you would view all of the other attendees at the conference. And if you want to know how to update this information on your badge, there's another video on how to edit your name badge, so go check that out. What's new this year is that we do have exhibitions, and you will see these right here. So we have one right now that is just for SDSN. If you click on that, you will just see information that they have available. For example, there's a 50% off tag here for an SCG Academy course. There's a video, there's some resources, And these are just ways to interact with some of our different exhibitors that we have this year. Something else that is a little bit different this year is our chat. So you can chat with every single person in the events with this tab. You can set up groups if you would like. Say you want a group chat for all of the presenters in your session, you can set that up. Maybe you want a group chat on the theme of education for sustainable development. You can set that up and welcome others to join you. That is open to anyone to create any groups, and then you can join different groups that are available. And then we also have direct messages if you would like to engage with someone one-on-one. And you can do so by chatting right here, just as a simple chat. But this year we also have the ability to call and do a video chat. So we're really hoping this will enhance the online networking aspect, especially for our poster presenters. If you're presenting a poster, we want people to be able to give you a call and to chat with you about your poster one-on-one. So all you would do is simply click this call user button. This isn't going to automatically open up a video screen yet. It's simply just going to call like you would on Zoom or like you would on a cell phone. So if I click this, you'll see it'll say that I'm calling the ICSD Organizing Committee. Unfortunately, I can't do two computers at once, but I would have to accept from the Organizing Committee account, and then that would open up just a simple one-on-one screen like you would do in Zoom or Teams or Google Hangouts. It's a simple concept. And anyone can decline those calls. You don't have to answer them, and they will just pop up here as calls that show in your history with that person. And you can always exit out here. But yeah, this is our program, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at info@ic-sd.org.